Brownie's gonna be butchered on Saturday. It's a little sad actually. He's been living here since he was born. He was born in the stall of this barn right here beside me. I believe that there's nothing wrong with naming an animal you're gonna kill. It's not like you're not gonna have affection for the animal if you don't name it. An animal you take care of every day, you're going to like. And there's something poignant in that. This animal that you actually liked, almost maybe loved, is now nourishing you and you're eating it. I don't know. A lot of people hate that, but I think it's a good thing. I have a bunch of trash in this shed. Been doing kind of spring cleaning it out, putting it in my truck, taking it to the transfer station. That's the job of the day. Lunchtime. How are you all doing? Making salad dressing.
Just a quick salad dressing.
That's a nice looking salad. We got this beautiful roast chicken, a wonderful squash. What kind of squash is that, Brianna?
It's acorn squash.
Acorn squash. And the lovely salad.
20 days you have 2,000 dozens. 30 days you have 3,000 dozens. So 1,000 chickens is what you need to make a living selling eggs at $5 a dozen. If you're making 50%
and you need
profit.
a lot of customers.
And a frugal life. You'd be living a pretty
But
frugal
you'd be,
life.
they would be paying you. You'd be making over $10,000 a month before feeding your chickens.
So 5,000 and replacing them and building new coops. $5,000 a month profit.
For 1,000 chickens. That's a lot of chickens.
Hey little chickies, what's going on in here? We thought we had a blind chick for a day or two. But it turns out none of them are blind. We thought this one right here
It might still be.
was blind. No, it's not blind. But he kind of acts funny. He might be a little bit impaired. Cognitively impaired. But for a while he wasn't eating very well. But I don't think he's sick. Grace was hand feeding him for a day or two. He just doesn't, he's just not as curious.
I still do feed him, right?
She still hand feeds him a little bit. You guys are really cute.
My favorite one is the black.
The black one? Yeah, you are cute.
It's about to go outside and do some work, and my number one farm tool is busted. This strap here that usually has one of these on it just totally ripped off. It's like dry rotted. So I'm gonna do something I probably shouldn't do, and I'm gonna cut a little hole right here and see if I can add this extra one for my high chair. This is the one that busted off. But see, this one has this little thing at the bottom. Okay, I stuck a little slit in there. I really feel like I made the slit too big, but I keep tugging on it and it's not coming out. Well, I really need that stroller or I cannot get stuff done with the baby. And I feel like we're back in business now. Do you want Brownie in the barn?
Sure.
Look what I just found in the goat stall. This tiny little bantam egg. So we've been out here playing and all of a sudden my eye, you guys have been wanting an update on my eye. Well, here it is. It's been no different. I've just been waiting, you know, to see the doctor, and it just started, I can't see right in my left eye. So I'm gonna go call the doctor right now and hopefully get in before 5 o'clock. Arthur doesn't even know this is happening. Hey, I need to go call the eye doctor. My vision is like bowed in this eye. I got a doctor's appointment. I'm leaving right now. I'm gonna drive myself because last time I only dilated one of my eyes. So I was able to drive. I mean, I could drive. Sorry, when I said my vision is bowed, it's like warped. It's not all the time, it's just almost like the flashing light. It comes and it goes, but it just like gets warped. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Hey, I'm leaving.
Are you sure you should go without me?
Yeah, because last time they just dilated my one eye.
Is it the same eye causing you the problem?
Same eye.
Is it weird all the time?
Nope, just sometimes.
Hi,
Just like the flashing.
come with you?
I gotta go by myself this time, sweetheart.
No, look at we found. Come
So-
on, come. I can.
See ya. Put those glasses back on. How did it
If
go?
both of your eyes look like the one that Skipper
Not
said,
good.
you look like him.
Not good,
Oh.
but
We'll
let's...
talk about it in a little while.
We're
We're eating supper now.
Look at me. Look at me.
It was not... it's just so nice to come home to
White.
sweet, excited.
And supper.
Exactly. This may be a little bit of an abrupt ending to this video. We kind of got caught off guard with Bree having new vision changes. She went in, I'll let her tell you what they said.
And I didn't really want to talk about it in front of the kids because I didn't want them to be scared. You know, kids get scared when their parents are sick. I'm kind of glad I didn't talk about it when I got home because I was like really freaked out. Basically, I went in and the doctor, and I see an eye doctor. Some of you were concerned that I was seeing a general practitioner. No, I go to an eye doctor. And so they did all the looking in my eye and taking pictures of my eye, and she came in and she's like, I don't really know what this is, so let's do another scan. So then they did a more in-depth scan of the layers of my retina. And there's something in my retina. Something, they don't know if it's a pocket of fluid, they don't know if it's a growth, but there is something in my retina. I don't really know what that means. I've done some research, but I still can't tell you. So anyway, she basically said, I don't know what's going on. I've never seen this before. I've seen similar things to it, but not exactly like this. So I'm going to send you to a retinal specialist. So that's kind of it. And for a couple more days.
But they were really concerned.
Yeah, she was really worried.
She just wanted you to be seen like right away.
Yeah.
And she was worried you might have like a retinal tear or something
She knows I don't have a retinal tear.
as a result of this.
Yeah, she was just saying that I need to go to the doctor right away. To the specialist right away. So I'm going to the specialist. We don't know. I got I got in like right before 5 o'clock to my appointment today. So they're getting me into the specialist either tomorrow or the next day. And we won't know till the morning when that appointment is, because the specialist was closed, so they have to call him in the morning. Yeah, we'll update you when we know something. But now that I'm talking about it again, I'm scared again.
Anyway, we'll let y'all know. Thanks for watching.
See you in the next video.
Bye.